Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Mini Cooper gear knob. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked in neutral with the handbrake fully engaged. You will need a plastic trim removal tool or a small flathead screwdriver wrapped in tape to protect your interior. Having a clean cloth nearby is also helpful for any dust or debris. This simple upgrade can refresh your car's interior in about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's remove the old gear knob. Use your trim tool to gently pry up the shift boot trim ring from the center console. It's held by several clips, so work your way around. Once the boot is loose, separate it from the knob itself. Some models have clips or a cable tie. Then, grip the knob with both hands and pull straight up with significant, firm force. Avoid twisting to prevent damage. With the old knob removed, it's time for the new one. First, ensure your replacement knob is designed for your Mini Cooper model. Some aftermarket knobs may require a small adapter or grub screws, so follow their specific instructions. For most standard replacements, simply align the new knob's internal slot with the shifter shaft. Then, push it down firmly and evenly until it clicks securely into its final position. You're almost done. Now, reattach the shift boot to the base of your new gear knob, ensuring any clips or collars are secure. Carefully align the shift boot trim ring with its opening in the center console and press down firmly around the edges until all clips engage. Finally, start your engine and test all gear selections, including reverse, to confirm smooth and proper function before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.